Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7A and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it right now, and after that, just tap on the circle, which is your account. Here we have to tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. Hello. Okay. And as you can see here, we've got the list of installed apps and we have to tap on Updates Available to check which of those can be updated. So if you want to, you can update all of them, just mark all. If you want to, you can update only one or two. It's up to you, of course. Just mark those and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device right now will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. I mean, the apps will be updated. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.